Now, urging the youth to take full advantage of new opportunities across the nation, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the country's startup ecosystem has become a hub of innovation in sectors like tech, healthcare and clean energy. That's what he said in his radio program Mann Ki Baat. More details in this report.
India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the emergence of small towns as startup hubs and also the role played by women in making them a success, as he highlighted the successful completion of 9 years of the Startup India initiative.
हमारे देश में जितने स्टार्टअप्स 9 साल में बने हैं, उनमें से आधे से ज्यादा टियर 2 और टियर 3 शहरों से हैं। और जब ये सुनते हैं तो हर हिंदुस्तानी का दिल खुश हो जाता है। यानी हमारा स्टार्टअप कल्चर बड़े शहरों तक ही सीमित नहीं है। और आपको यह जानकर हैरानी होगी कि छोटे शहरों के स्टार्टअप्स में आधे से ज्यादा का नेतृत्व हमारी बेटियां कर रही हैं।
Launched on 16th January 2016, the Startup India initiative aims to support entrepreneurs, build a robust startup ecosystem, and transform India into a country of job creators instead of job seekers. Presently, India has the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. The number of startups recognized by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has grown from around 500 in 2016 to over 1.5 lakh as of January 15, 2025. These startups have created over 16.6 lakh direct jobs. Over 73,000 of these startups have at least one female director. India is also home to over 100 unicorns or startups with a valuation of over $1 billion.
The Indian startup ecosystem has been growing exponentially over the last decade. Even in the frontier technology space, like space tech, our startups have been pushing boundaries and creating new benchmarks, thanks to the space reforms that have been introduced over the last 5 years.
Through programs like ease of doing business, tax benefits, funding support, and sector-specific policies, Startup India has fostered an environment for businesses to thrive. Bureau Report, DD India.